Hi, I came to see Dr. Gupta a week ago, and a couple days back, 2 days back, I had a correction mini facelift. I had a very large scar here from facelift that I did before, and I'm very satisfied with what he's done. He's corrected my scar. I don't have any drains, and this is the third day, and as of yesterday, I had swelling, but today my swelling went down a lot, and it looks a lot better. So I appreciate his work. I think that he did a very good job. I had a pixie here. He corrected that also, and I'm very happy.